Welcome to my channel, dear friends. And over the next 15 minutes, we'll break down the key news of the day, from dramatic price drops to the prospects of network scaling and regulatory shifts in Asia. Whether you're a trader, a developer, or just a cryptocurrency enthusiast, this review is for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's a lot of interesting stuff ahead. Now, let's get started. Discover Ethereum, a proven project in the field of cryptocurrency staking. With an initial investment of $1,400, in just a few weeks, I was able to grow my capital to $6,000, which speaks to the high efficiency and reliability of this platform. Ethereum uses advanced technologies on the Ethereum blockchain for staking, guaranteeing you a share of the profits from the fees earned by confirming transactions on this network. Currently, the project is actively working to attract permanent partners, offering them 90% of all profits, which is significantly higher than standard terms. My experience with Ethereum confirms its honesty and transparency. Earning more than $5,000 in net profit through regular deposit and withdrawal operations proves that this project deserves your attention. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of these favorable conditions while the project is expanding its partner base and offering the most attractive staking rates. So let's start with the main point. The market is in the red zone. Ethereum is undergoing a correction that's making even the most resilient holders nervous. According to the latest data, the price of ETH has dropped to $3,699, losing 3.8% in the last 24 hours and as much as 17% over the week. This is part of a broader downturn in the crypto market. Bitcoin has plummeted to $108,000 and total liquidations have exceeded $400 million. Why is this happening? Analysts from Unvest and Binance Square point to a combination of factors: geopolitical tensions, profit-taking after the recent rally, and macroeconomic signals from the US, where the Federal Reserve is signaling a possible tightening of policy. In Indian rupees, ETH is trading at 333,311 INR with a drop of 3.23%. But let's take a closer look. Technical analysis from Forex24.pro predicts an attempt at a bearish correction with a test of support at $3,475 in the coming days. On the charts, ETH has broken a key support structure around $3,700 and the momentum is accelerating. The next liquidity zone below is possibly at $3,500, as noted by AI analyst Vytautas Albot in X. The Ethereum Fear and Greed Index is at 44, which is neutral, indicating a balance between panic and optimism. The Reddit community is actively discussing whether this correction is part of a bear market or a precursor to a bullish rebound, quoting a headline from RR Ethereum. Despite the current decline, long-term forecasts remain positive. Changelly experts expect that in November 2025, Ethereum will not fall below $3,866.75, and the maximum could reach $4,664.15. InvestX analyzes whether the ETH can reach $4,000 this week, and key signals point to yes if it breaks through the resistance at $3,800. On X, users emphasize that scaling Ethereum is not just about speed, but also about aligning the interests of builders and network owners. This is a reference to the Syndicate project, which promotes horizontal scaling through thousands of specialized chains optimized for specific tasks. Each new chain expands the network rather than overloading it, reads a tweet from ZKsync. Another highlight: ZKsync Atlas turns rollups into a modular system where chains cooperate rather than compete. Modularity is already here, and it makes Ethereum resilient, comments Ed Savix Ed in a video analysis. Such innovations solve the problem of shared block space, where everyone is waiting for their turn. Imagine thousands of chains, each with its own mission, but all in harmony with Ethereum. This isn't a fantasy, it's the reality being built by projects like Ed plus Espresso and Ed Curantium Orc, integrating post-quantum cryptography and cross-chain liquidity. Now about regulations. A light at the end of the tunnel. Japan plans to classify Ethereum as a financial product as early as 2026. This means more institutional investment, clear regulations, and the integration of Ethereum into traditional finance. The Japanese market is a huge step toward legitimizing crypto, notes Bitcoin Bob in a morning tweet. At the same time, debates about Mikkei and the SEC continue in Europe and the US. But Japan is ahead, offering a model where Ethereum is not speculation but a Class A asset. Let's not overlook the ecosystem. DeFi is buzzing with activity. River.inc has opened withdrawals from the USDT vault with APRs of up to 80% on Ethereum. More than $4 and $8 million have already been deposited. It's the perfect option for stablecoin holders. And Envoy.io is launching cross-chain trading with no gas fees. Ethereum, Solana, and Arbitrum, all in one interface with an AI assistant. For beginners, there's a simple UI. For pros, leverage up to 150 times. Plus, there are rumors of an airdrop for early users. There's movement in NFTs and memes as well. Artvision NFT praises Polygon for speeding up Ethereum. Millions of users daily for payments, DeFi, and real-world assets. And Project Merlin.io is giving away 500 free mint NFTs on Ethereum with access to a 300,000 MRLN airdrop in Q1 2026. FTV of 15 million is trading on Binance Alpha. Momentum is building. What does the community think? On X, the theme of complementarity dominates. ETH is integrating the best of Zcash for privacy, as Sunny Kerr noted. ZK, everything is from Vitalik's roadmap. An ordinal printer with satire, Ethereum is building a new world while banks are still fiddling with Excel. Laughing through tears. That's classic crypto. The day's summary. Ethereum is in a correction, but its fundamentals are strong. The price may test $3,475, but November forecasts go up to $4,664. Scaling through modularity and a regulatory boost from Japan are the fuel for growth. Hold your positions, Dior, and don't panic. Crypto teaches patience. And what do you think about this? Correction or rebound? Write your thoughts in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss daily news from the world of crypto. Thanks for watching and see you next time.